Hi guys, back with another video. I have come up with few coupons from udemy.com. I will strongly recommend to subscribe to my channel because I will allow to bring such kind of content to you, and if at all it brings any value to your time, to please like the content, share it and with your loved ones, and it brings me lots of encouragement to me. Okay, just jump into the video really quick. All coupons I will be leaving in the description below, to please go and check them out, because these coupons are limited for a for few hours. I would strongly recommend to avail this offer as soon as possible, and upgrade yourself, and whatever your goal may be, right, you can avail these courses at any point of time, so it will help you in your career path. So please avail this offer as soon as possible. If you want any kind of courses, right, you please mention it in the comment section so that I can crack them and bring it for you. So please leave a comment below in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon.